Ever wondered how to get a one-year visit visa for Saudi Arabia in just 20 minutes? Welcome everyone to the ultimate guide that's set to demystify this process. Today we're going to walk you through the simple, user-friendly steps you need to follow to secure your visa. It's efficient, it's quick, and it's designed with you in mind. So prepare your documents and follow the steps we're about to share. You'll have your visa in no time. Before diving into the application process, let's clarify what you need. First and foremost, you're going to need a valid passport. Make sure it's not about to expire soon. The recommended validity is at least 6 months from your intended date of departure. Now, don't forget a recent photograph, passport size with a white background. It's best to keep a few extra copies of this photo handy just in case. Now, let's talk about paperwork. You'll need to provide evidence of accommodation in Saudi Arabia, so a hotel reservation or an invitation from a host will do. And of course, proof of financial means to support your stay is essential. Some specific criteria might apply to certain applicants. Age restrictions may be in place, and your nationality can affect the application process. Once you've gathered all these documents, you're ready to start the application process. Remember, being prepared is half the battle won. Now, we move on to the most crucial part, the online application process. Imagine the online application process as a journey. We're about to embark on a journey that is as simple as a stroll in the park. The first stop on this journey is the official Saudi visa website. Think of the website as your guide, leading you step by step through the process. As you land on the website, you'll be prompted to fill out the necessary information. This is where you'll need to be meticulous. You'll be asked to provide details like your name, date of birth, passport details, and other personal information. Consider this step as the foundation of your application. The more accurate your information is, the stronger your foundation will be. Next, you're going to upload the required documents. This is like packing your bags for the journey. You wouldn't forget to pack your passport, would you? Similarly, you shouldn't forget to upload any necessary documents. These could include your passport, your photographs, and any other necessary paperwork. Remember, each document is like a ticket that gets you one step closer to your destination. Once you've packed all your documents, it's time to move on to the next step, submitting the application. This is the moment where you check everything one last time before you set off on your journey. Just like you would double-check your luggage before leaving for the airport, you should review all the information you've provided and the documents you've uploaded. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit the submit button. And just like that, you've completed the most crucial part of the process. But remember, the journey isn't over yet. You've just reached the halfway mark. After hitting the submit button, you're halfway done. Now, onto the final step. You've submitted your application. What's next? Payment and confirmation. Now, the final step to your one-year visit visa to Saudi Arabia is to complete the payment. The process is smooth, secure, and user-friendly, accepting various forms of payment. You can use debit or credit cards, and rest assured, your information is encrypted and safe. Once you've made the payment, it's time to sit back and wait for a confirmation email. This email is a testament to your successful application submission and payment. It's the green light that tells you everything's in order and your application is being processed. This email will hit your inbox within a short period after payment. It's essential to keep a copy of this email, as it serves as proof of your successful visa application. Once you've received your confirmation email, your one-year visit visa for Saudi Arabia is just a few days away. And there you have it. A stress-free way to secure your one-year visit visa for Saudi Arabia. We walked through the pre-application requirements, navigated the online application process, and tackled payment and confirmation all in a matter of 20 minutes. It's all about simplicity and speed. And now you're all set to embark on your journey. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the wonders of Saudi Arabia. Your journey is just beginning. Ever wondered how to get a one-year visit visa for Saudi Arabia in just 20 minutes? Welcome everyone to the ultimate guide that's set to demystify this process. Today we're going to walk you through the simple, user-friendly steps you need to follow to secure your visa. It's efficient, it's quick,